I'm going to be making my first video on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be building a glowing pendulum. Well, you might ask, hey Buzz, what's that box you have there? Oh, it's a Tinker Crate. A Tinker Crate is a box that has amazing fun STEM projects of it in it of all kinds. I'll link it down in the description down below so you guys can come check it out yourself. So let's get started. So guys, this is the tricky part for me, at least. So what you want to do is, there's two holes. You match this up with both holes. Then just want to go under it, find the hole. It's right there. Try to screw this one on first, so then the other one will just be easier to do. So what you do is you screw it on with these plastic orange screws. Make it as tight as possible so nothing will get loose. Then you go to the other one as it's lined up, and you do the same thing to keep it sturdy and steady. And then after that, like that, then we grab this little handy dandy thing and we put it here. Put it here. Just match it up with those dots, and you put this here. Screw this in. It's already spinning. Oh my gosh. What we're gonna do is that we're just gonna give it a little twist, and boom, just like magic. Just move it up a bit. See how it's making that green glow? So what you want to just do this, just bring it up and then just fling it around. So that's the glowing pendulum, guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video, and it'd be much more appreciated if you smash a like on this video. See you guys later. See you guys in the next one.